What up? It's your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, bringing you guys another property tour. And this property tour, as I told you guys before, I'm always going to give you something unique, something that's different from most property tours that you're seeing. So this property tour today is going to be a quadplex, and it's going to be 4 units. So when you guys are understanding what a quadplex is, it's always 4 units. A triplex is going to be 3 units. The good thing about this one, they're selling all 4 units. This total place is called the Dayton Townhomes, and they're selling a total of 16 townhomes. So if you want to buy them as a package or just individually or as 4 units, you can. And this will be a good investment property. As we pan out here, you guys will see all 4 of the townhomes right next to each other. And they're going to be between 3 and 4 bedroom townhomes, and they're going to be up to 2,800 square feet. The good thing about these units are they're all updated, they're brand new, and they even have a walkout basement. So your Airbnb potential is there, and they get great rents. I would say the rental rates around here are about $3,000 per unit, so you'll be able to definitely see some income. And if you wanted to finish the basement and build it out, you can also see more income there. And this property is listed by Mackenzie Casey and Garrett Bezier. I think I said that name right. Sorry, Garrett, if I mentioned their last name up. But yeah, this is also listed by Liv Sotheby. So as usual, man, I want to show you guys a property tour. So follow me in. And as soon as you guys walk in, as you can see, they kept the colors original, pretty much all white throughout the whole floor plan. You got some great accents when it comes to the countertops, and they follow the recessed lighting. So the inside of this property is unique, it's very upscale, very updated. As you can see, we have all updated countertops, all stainless steel appliances with LG, which they're all matching. You got your open floor plan, which gives it a lot of space, an abundance of space. And the good thing about the property is too, it looks to the mountains, and you guys will be able to see that when you go upstairs. And you also have your mountain views. You also have your balcony area, so if you want to go outside, get some fresh air. It's open, but it's not super open to where you feel like it's way too much space. You got your dining area right here, your living room, your electric fireplace, and then when you walk back over here, which you wouldn't notice by the outside. It actually has a 2-car garage too. And excuse the paint, guys, excuse the paint. But it actually has a 2-car garage. That's pretty spacious. And what the listing agent was telling me, if you guys wanted to, you could frame this out and make it another room. If you wanted to, it's an addition that they would be able to add on, is what they told me. So it's gonna be 3 levels. So we're gonna have the basement, which we'll go to last, and then we'll have the upstairs, which is where all the rooms are. And it also has those mountain views, which I'm gonna show you guys here in a second. So follow me up here. Alright, so we're at the top level. This is where all the rooms are. Very spacious. The two rooms over here to my left, they're gonna be pretty spacious. Gonna be your regular room, your guest room, office, whatever you want it to be. And then the final room in the back side is gonna be your master bedroom, which I'm gonna show you guys here in a second. One of the bathrooms are. The first level also has a partial bathroom, but this is going to be your first floor bathroom. Your master bedroom, you're going to have your master closet right here, which is going to be on the back side. It's kind of a deep little closet, as you guys can see. And then now the best part of this property that I think is going to be the master bathroom. I just love this little master suite. It's definitely unique in its own sense. But it is a stand-up shower, and then you have more closet space in there. And you also have more storage space in there. the Cherry Creek School District, which is one of the better school districts in Denver. And then you're gonna be in unincorporated Arapahoe County, which is it's literally on the borderline of Denver and Arapahoe County. But the good thing about it is the taxes are low over here. Since it's unincorporated, the taxes are much lower than Denver County. So you're getting a great deal when it comes to this property. So what we're gonna do next is, I want you guys to follow me downstairs to where I'll show you the basement. It's not finished yet, but it has a lot of potential. So let's go to that third level. So we're in the basement. We're finally at the final stage of this property. As you guys can see, it's an unfinished basement, but there's a lot of potential here. You can put another room down here. You could put a little bar down here if you wanted to. But this is where that Airbnb potential will come from, because it does have a walkout basement. I mean, a walkout sliding door, which we consider a walkout basement. So if you wanted to have a separate entrance to this property, you can, and it just leads out into the back to its little backyard. And this is where the Airbnb. Sometimes you gotta have a vision. You have a vision, you put the vision together, and then you can see the potential from it. And this is a good thing about this unfinished basement. You're able to configure it however you want. If you want to put another bathroom down here, you can. You can put another room down here because it has the dugouts for it. So, and it's an addition if you wanted to. I'm sure the builders would finish this off for you just to kind of give you guys that finished product. But it's a great area, great neighborhood, great location, which is all three of the same things, but it's definitely a good buy. And when you're getting a quadplex, you only pay one mortgage on a quadplex. So you get 4 units for the price of 1, which is always good when it comes to investment purposes. So, definitely DM me. Let me know what you guys think of this property. If you guys want to do a private showing, private tour, whatever the case may be, I am your realtor and I will be able to get you in. Hey man, thank you guys for coming on this property tour with me. Once again, I always want to bring you guys something unique, something that's different than, most realtors that are out there. So definitely let me know what you guys liked about this property. What was your favorite aspect of it? This is a great opportunity for an investor or for a first-time home buyer even. The price on this property is about $2.5 million, but remember, you're getting 4 units for the price of 1, and which is usually the best way to buy a property as a buyer. I mean, I know it's higher in that price point, but it's going to come fully upgraded. Everything's going to be upgraded, from the countertops to the flooring to the sink to the appliances. And you also get a 2-car garage with this that you can convert if you wanted to. And you can also convert the finished basement into something to be more of an income revenue for you when it comes to Airbnb. So definitely like and subscribe to your boy's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit those notification buttons so when something new comes up, you guys are able to see it. And comment below. Let me know what your favorite aspect of this property was. Do you like 4plexes? Do you like triplexes, multiple units? Definitely give me the feedback. Just makes me a better individual. So thank you guys again. And this is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, over and out.